We have created the material. We have created this 700702716. So I'll take that material number 700702716. Then go to take the material, go to select views. Go to select views. Now we'll take just accounting view. We'll take accounting view. Click on organization levels. Sorry, accounting view 1, not 2. Click on organizational levels. Plant. See, I should be able to see these two, external, internal. First, I'll go with external. External. Proceed. Valuation class remaining same, 3000. I'll maintain 90 for external. This is what we had discussed earlier. I'll just maintain 90 for external. Save. Again, same material. Select views. Again, only accounting. Organization levels. Plant. Now I'll take in-house. In-house. Click on tick mark. Sorry, I have selected accounting 2. I'll select accounting 1. Select views. Accounting 1. Organization levels. Plant YIBP. I think it's a different material. I'll just redo this. Can you just give me material number?
702-716.
Yes. I went wrong in selecting the view. I should select only accounting 1 view. Now organization level, plant YIBP. Earlier we took external, now I am taking internal. For internal, I maintain price 100. So internal is more as compared to external. I'm just maintaining that. I'll save. This is done. So having done this, I'll create PIR. Next step, create PIR. Make a note. I'll take some vendor, create PIR. You can observe external YIBP. This is EXYIBP. Maximum quantity, I'll enter some number. So I'll maintain same. External is 90 INR. I'll maintain it to be same. I'll save this. 251 vendor. Next is source list. Source list. Valid from, I'll take today's date. Valid to maybe end of this month. So I'll fix this vendor. I'll generate. Save this. I'm just redoing. It didn't get saved. Just maintain same validity and time. Same validity. I'm just maintaining that. I'll save this. Source list is created. Now I'll create PO. Next step to create PO.
Sir, 716, sir.
Thank you. Just observe while creating PO. See, net price I didn't enter. Are you able to observe that? Did you make that observation?
Yes, sir.
Net price I didn't enter. We had maintained internal as 100 and external 90. So it has taken a 90. It is splitting this material, and this becomes even more relevant when you consider for finished goods what is the cost of each and every material, which can be valued separately based on where it is procured, from where we have received, and how the production is done, etc. You can observe here under delivery valuation type, it is external YIBP. External YIBP. So this is basically to divide materials into small parts and sort out separately and get to see how much price it is costing for each material. Based on that, you are going to tag the final price for the finished good. So that is the purpose of this. I have just shown you, see, split valuation ends once we configure it, but I have also extended, we have come to creation of PO, and we have just observed that how it is taking something which is lesser price 90 in PO automatically once I create it based on the configuration settings. So this completes split valuation understanding. So I'll just save this PO. Okay, I'll just end our session here. Hope all of you have understood this. I'll be sharing the videos. You can just look into that and practice. We'll see when to connect later. Suresh, how are you occupied tomorrow morning?